20 million in life insurance coverage. Magkano ba yan for a female na 30 years old and in good health condition? So let's look at it in this video. Female na gusto magkaroon ng 20 million in life insurance coverage, this is what I can recommend. This is what we call Guardian One. It's a term life insurance coming from AIA Philippines. I am a licensed financial advisor under AIA Philippines, the number one life insurance company here in the Philippines. So with Guardian One, you get 20 million for 1 year and it's renewable till the age of 85. Ganyan po siya katagal. And magkano naman? For 20 million, an annual premium is only 44,350. So ganyan na po ka-affordable, kababa ang kailangan nating bayaran on an annual basis to get 20 million. So why 20 million? This is really important, no? 20 million can cover your house in case you're gonna apply a mortgage or a housing loan from the bank. So, pwede niyo pong i-assign this policy to get 20 million if you're gonna loan it from the bank and gagamitin niyo po ito as your MRI or mortgage redemption insurance. Another use for a 20 million is if something happens, you're the breadwinner, you're the parent, your children can continue to achieve their dreams and go to their dream school. So, alam po naman natin gaano ka expensive ang pagpapaaral or education, and this will cover that if something happens to the parents or the breadwinner from grade school nila, high school nila, and their chosen college. Other than that, why 20 million? This will cover X number of years, maybe 10 years of income expenses from the breadwinner who has passed away. But it doesn't have to be 20 million, it could go higher. You can let me know, it could go lower as well. But just to give you an idea, I presented 20 million life insurance coverage. If you're interested, if you're ready to get this plan, please stay on and watch this video for the next steps. Step number one, please book an appointment with me via my Calendly appointment link. So you'll see it in this post either below or above this video. So just please see the link and make sure to pick out your best schedule. I only have two appointments every day available. So please make sure you get the best schedule available and make sure you show up on the appointment. For us to have a very productive meeting, kindly prepare the following before our meeting. First of all, please come and prepare your valid ID. Could be your passport, could be your driver license, and etc. Aside from that, please prepare Visa or MasterCard so we can pay online. So please also allot around 1 hour of your time to make sure we accomplish the online application of your policy, online payment of your policy, and within 24 hours or 2 days upon submission, if all requirements have been duly filled and submitted, we should have approval for your policy. Once again, thank you for watching my video and having interest on getting your own life insurance. I'm really excited to help you out and you started and get your policy approved. Don't forget to also like, share, and follow my page. And also, if you have a friend, I'll be happy to talk to them. Please refer me also. God bless you all and let's get started. Let's continue to help each other be more secured with life insurance.